Transform your indoor cooking with electric grills that bring authentic barbecue flavors right to your kitchen. No smoke, no hassle, just perfectly grilled steaks, burgers, and vegetables year-round. Today we're revealing the top 5 electric grills that deliver restaurant-quality results at home. Number 5. Starting at number 5, this specialized 850-watt electric sausage grill is perfect for quick, healthy meals. The integrated oil drip tray catches excess fat, making your sausages healthier without losing flavor. The non-stick cooking plate ensures easy cleanup, just wipe down or dishwasher clean. Its compact design with cord storage makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. Cook traditional pork, chicken, or veggie sausages with perfectly even heating. Temperature is optimized for consistent results every time. Great for hot dogs, breakfast links, and small vegetables too. Stainless steel construction ensures durability. Heats up fast for quick meals. Perfect for busy weeknights, game days, or weekend brunches. If you're interested in this convenient grill, check the description and comments below for the purchase link. Number 4. At number 4, this versatile double-sided heating machine is your ultimate kitchen multitasker. It's a panini press, steak grill, sandwich maker, and waffle iron in one. Double-sided heating cooks from top and bottom simultaneously, cutting cooking time in half with perfectly even results. Non-stick surfaces prevent sticking and make cleanup effortless, whether grilling ribeye or pressing gourmet sandwiches. Create restaurant-quality paninis with professional grill marks and crispy texture. Use it for breakfast waffles, burgers, quesadillas, or grilled desserts. Adjustable temperature control customizes heat for different foods. Compact design saves counter space, while sturdy construction ensures lasting performance. The floating hinge accommodates thick sandwiches and applies even pressure. Perfect for meal prep or brunch parties. For this amazing multifunctional grill, find the link in the description and comments. Number 3. Number 3 features this innovative 2-in-1 electric frying pan and grill offering ultimate flexibility. At 1500 watts, it includes completely detachable non-stick cooking boards. Switch between flat frying surface for pancakes and eggs or ridged grill plate for perfect sear marks on steaks and burgers. Removable plates are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Precise temperature control adjusts from gentle warming to high heat searing. Large cooking surface handles family-sized portions. Grill multiple items simultaneously. PFOA-free non-stick coating requires minimal oil for healthier cooking. Cool touch handles ensure safe operation. Compact design simplifies storage. Cook breakfast, lunch, or dinner with one appliance. Drip tray catches grease for healthier meals and cleaner counters. Perfect for apartments or small kitchens. Ready to simplify cooking? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2, taking second place is this comprehensive 1500-watt electric barbecue system with 3 interchangeable plates. Includes frying pan, ridged grill, and waffle maker for endless possibilities. Fully detachable design allows dishwasher cleaning of every component. Stainless steel construction ensures durability and professional style. Adjustable temperature control provides precise heat management. Non-stick coating ensures easy food release and cleanup. Perfect for entertaining. Switch between plates for burgers, waffles, and more. Generous cooking surface accommodates family portions efficiently. Integrated cord storage keeps counters tidy. Make breakfast waffles, lunch paninis, dinner steaks, and desserts with one appliance. Even heat distribution guarantees consistent results. Ideal gift for housewarmings or birthdays. Ultimate space-saving solution for home cooks demanding quality. To get this 3-in-1 system, check the description and comments below. Number 1. Our number 1 pick is this outstanding 1700-watt smokeless electric grill bringing outdoor grilling indoors. Features include removable non-stick plate that's dishwasher safe, stainless steel construction ensures lasting durability and rust resistance. Advanced smokeless technology delivers grilled steaks, chicken, fish, and vegetables without smoke alarms or odors. High 1700-watt power creates restaurant-quality sear marks and locks in juices. Large surface provides room for family gatherings or meal prep. Precise temperature control adjusts for different foods from seafood to thick steaks. Non-stick surface needs minimal oil for healthier grilled taste. Removable drip tray catches fats for easier cleanup. Rapid heating gets you cooking within minutes. Perfect for burgers, vegetables, or date night steaks. Ideal gift for Christmas or housewarmings. Portable design works anywhere. Ready for the best indoor grilling? Check the description and comments for the purchase link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.